Okay, so today's question is check if all ones are at least k length, k places away. So, given an binary array nums and an integer k, return true if all ones are at least k places away from each other, otherwise return false. So, we have given a question. Okay, in this question, it is given a binary array, okay, and an integer k, and we have to return true if all ones in this array are at least k distance away from each other. Okay, so for this, okay, my approach to solve this question is simply, first of all, I will be uh, storing all the indexes, okay, all the indices in which the element of the array is one. Okay, so for this, I will make a vector. Okay, uh, then I will write here for and I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size. I will write here if, okay, if nums of I equals to 1, then simply v dot push back the index, right? For this. Now I will simply find a difference between the neighbor index, the adjacent index. Because, for example, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So difference between 4 and 0. Then this 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 4. Okay, simply difference between adjacent index, and if the difference is greater than this value k. Okay, if it is greater than k, it's all right, no problem. If it is greater than equals to k, it's all right. But if it is less than k, then we will return false here. Okay, so see, like for example, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the array with size 7, right? So it will be 7 minus 4, which will be equals to 3, right? So 7 minus 4 equals to 3. But we want distance, right? So distance will be equal to 7 minus 4, 3 minus 1. So for this, we'll just check if the distance, basically if the difference between the adjacent index, okay, is greater than k, then it's all right. And if not, then we'll return false here. Okay. So simply I will write here for int I equals to 1 less than I less than what, v dot size I plus plus. Okay, so if this v of I minus v of I minus 1, okay, simply the adjacent distance is, if this is less than or equals to what, k, then we will return false here, or otherwise we will return true. Okay, so let's see. It was quite easy question. Okay, it is quite easy question. See, the solution works. Okay, we can also solve this question by not making any extra array, by not using any extra space. Okay, we can do this by simply 2 pointers. Okay, and it's your task to do the question with 2 pointers. Okay, so I think that's it for this question. Thank you.